Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy English Daily.
Hey guys, we are so happy you're here with us today.
Today, we have a really fun topic. It is super simple, but we use it all the time.
That's right, today we are talking about our favorite seasons.
Yes, summer, winter, spring, and autumn.
Or fall, you can say autumn or fall. Both are perfect.
Exactly. So, let's just chat. Mark, let me ask you first. What is your favorite season?
Oh, that is an easy question for me. My absolute favorite season is summer.
Summer, really?
Yes, I love the summer.
Wow, why do you love summer so much?
Well, first of all, I love the weather. It is always warm and sunny.
Too warm, if you ask me.
No way. It is perfect. I love the sun. It makes me feel so happy.
I get that. The sun does make people happy.
It really does. What about you, Anna? Do you like summer?
It is okay, but it is definitely not my favorite.
No? Why not?
Because it gets too hot. I really don't like sweating.
Haha, yeah, it can get sticky. That's true.
Yes, and I don't like the mosquitoes either.
Oh, the mosquitoes are the worst. I agree with you on that.
Right? They bite me all the time.
But think about the beach, Anna. Do you like the beach?
Oh, I love the beach. The ocean is beautiful.
Exactly. In the summer, you can go to the beach every weekend,
That is true. Swimming in the ocean is great.
and you can eat ice cream every day.
Haha, you can eat ice cream in the winter too, Mark.
True, but it tastes better when it is hot outside.
Maybe, but for me, summer is just too intense.
Okay. So summer is not your favorite. What is your favorite season then?
My favorite season is autumn.
Autumn or fall?
Yes, fall. I love saying fall. It sounds so nice.
Why do you like fall?
Oh, so many reasons. First, the weather is perfect. It is not too hot and it is not too cold.
It is chilly.
Yes, chilly. That is a great word. It means a little bit cold, right?
Right, chilly means you need a light jacket or a sweater.
Exactly. I love sweater weather.
Sweater weather. I love that expression.
Me too. It feels so cozy.
It is cozy, and the colors in fall are beautiful.
Oh, yes, the leaves change colors. They turn yellow, orange, and red.
It looks like a painting.
It really does. It is so beautiful to walk in the park.
I agree. The trees look amazing in October.
Yes, and another reason I love fall is the food.
The food? What kind of food?
Hot soups, pumpkin pies, and warm apple cider.
Pumpkin pie. Now I am hungry.
Haha, see, fall food is the best comfort food.
Comfort food. That's another good expression. Food that makes you feel warm and happy inside.
Yes, like a big bowl of warm soup on a chilly day.
Okay, you are convincing me. Fall is pretty great.
I told you, it is the best season.
But wait, what about spring?
Ah, spring. Spring is beautiful too.
I think spring is like the sister of autumn
That is a nice way to put it. Why do you say that?
because the weather is similar. It is also not too hot and not too cold.
True, but in spring, everything is waking up.
Yes, the flowers start to bloom.
To bloom, that means the flowers open up, right?
Exactly. The flowers open up and show their beautiful colors.
And the grass becomes so green again after the winter.
Yes, it feels like a fresh start.
A fresh start. I love that.
Do you get allergies in the spring, Anna?
Oh, yes, unfortunately, I do.
Me too. The pollen makes me sneeze a lot.
Achoo, like that.
Haha, yes, exactly like that. Bless you.
Thank you. Yes, the sneezing is the bad part of spring.
But the bird singing is the good part.
Yes, I love hearing the birds early in the morning.
It is very peaceful.
It really is. So, we talked about summer, fall, and spring.
There is one left.
The big one, winter.
Just thinking about winter makes me cold.
Ha ha, are you afraid of the cold, Mark?
A little bit. I don't like freezing weather.
Freezing weather. That means very, very cold, right?
Yes, extremely cold. Like ice.
Well, winter can be cold, but it can also be magical.
Magical? How?
Because of the snow. Do you like snow?
I like looking at snow from inside my warm house.
Haha, you are so funny.
No, really, sitting by the fireplace with a hot chocolate. That is nice.
It is. That is very cozy.
But scraping ice off my car window in the morning, not nice.
Yeah, that part is definitely not fun. It takes a lot of time.
And walking on slippery sidewalks is dangerous.
That's true. You have to walk very carefully so you don't fall.
Exactly. I am always worried I will slip and fall.
But what about winter holidays, like Christmas and New Year?
Oh, I do love the holidays. The lights in the streets are beautiful.
Yes, the city looks so bright and festive.
Festive. That means it feels like a party or a celebration.
Right, everyone is happy and buying gifts for their families.
So, winter has some good parts.
See, every season has something special.
That is true. Every season has a unique vibe.
Vibe, that means the feeling or atmosphere of a time or place.
Yes, summer has a fun, energetic vibe.
And fall has a calm, cozy vibe.
Spring has a fresh, happy vibe.
And winter has a peaceful, holiday vibe.
Wow, that is beautiful, Anna.
Thanks, it's fun to think about it that way.
It really is.
You know, it's interesting how our favorite seasons can change too.
What do you mean?
Well, when I was a child, my favorite season was summer.
Really? Why did it change?
Because when you are a child, summer means school vacation.
Oh, of course. No school for 2 whole months.
Exactly, we played outside all day long.
That was the best feeling in the world. No homework.
No homework, no alarms, just freedom.
So that's why you loved summer back then.
Yes, but now that I am an adult, I don't get a summer vacation.
Sadly, no. Adults still have to work in the summer.
Exactly, so now I prefer the relaxing feeling of autumn.
That makes a lot of sense.
What about you, Mark? Was summer always your favorite?
Yes, always. I was born in July, so I am a summer baby.
Ah, a summer baby, that explains it. You love your birthday season.
I really do. I love pool parties and barbecues for my birthday.
Barbecues are great. The smell of grilled food is amazing.
Yes, grilling hamburgers and hot dogs outside.
Stop it, Mark. You are making me hungry again.
Haha, sorry, Anna. I just love talking about food.
It's okay. Food is a big part of every season.
It really is.
Hey, let's do a quick vocabulary check for our listeners.
Good idea. Let's review some of the words we used today.
We used the word chilly. What does it mean again?
Chilly means a little bit cold, not freezing, just a bit cold.
Perfect. And we used the expression sweater weather.
That means the weather is perfect for wearing a comfortable sweater, usually in autumn.
Right. And what about freezing?
Freezing means very, very cold, like water turning into ice.
Great. And we also used the word bloom.
Bloom is for flowers. It means when the flowers open up and grow.
Excellent. I hope these words are helpful for everyone watching.
Me too. Learning English is all about practicing everyday words.
Yes, you don't need to know giant, difficult words to have a great conversation.
Exactly. Just simple, natural English.
Well, guys, we want to hear from you now.
Yes, please type in the comments below
Tell us, what is your favorite season?
and tell us why. Do you like summer, spring, autumn, or winter?
We promise to read your comments and reply to them.
We love connecting with you guys. It is the best part of our day.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button.
And remember to subscribe to Easy English Daily for more conversations.
Every video helps you practice your listening and speaking skills.
You are doing a great job learning English. Keep going.
Yes, don't give up. Practice a little bit every single day.
You can do it.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone.
Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Bye, guys. Have a wonderful day.